Hey there, from 4 months ago I've published a video about my fish rack year later. So within next week or maximum 2 there will be major changes in this place, like not particularly this fish. That is the first one that was standing in my basement. There is a second one smaller, and third one like from plastic. It's really not as impressive experiment. So first change is that I will get rid of it, like my Moinia and Daphnia backup cultures, along with a seed shrimp experimental culture will be moved elsewhere. Those tanks, temporary tanks with temporary fish, and like I've got here celestial perodania that are in quarantine. I've purchased them recently, so those tanks will probably go away, won't be used. And here is my mine colony of Moinia, and here mine colony of Daphnia. So I will have to move those elsewhere, not sure where exactly. And in this place will be 25-gallon aquarium that I've got in a different room, and I'm reorganizing that space in that room so that old tank will be in here. I will reset it except of gravel. I won't touch gravel. I will vacuum up it, but keep different plants in it. Like for now I've got my main plant tank, learning to keep plants in here with CO2, and maybe you know I'm cutting stems, putting in those baskets, and it getting roots, and after that I'm moving it to tub without any CO2 and with bare minimum of light. So that new tank in here will be doing this, so keeping up with those baskets with plants with bigger light than this one. And that tab will be for celestial perodanium, Raspberry Galaxy. Maybe on final stage I will order 2 tanks in here, exactly similar tanks as those 3. In one will be those CBD, and in second one will be those mini Osbora, whatever they are called. Hard to see them. Yeah, here they are. But for now I'm not interested in investing in it a lot of time, since I've got another different things to do, so that tab will be sufficient for now. Like I've said, here will be those stems in baskets, and I will figure out how will they behave, grow, or if I will have any troubles with algae. But since I'm putting a lot of Java moss, so it's sucking up nutrition, and algae shouldn't be a problem. I have got backup additional Java moss if I need, and that's a rough plan. But additional thing is I'm like removing my growbox. Right now it's night, so it's not working right, and here I got some vegetables that will go. As for my immersed plants, I will just move them into garden with those bugs, so I won't have to water them, since water is cycling inside of it. Maybe occasionally it will evaporate some amount, etc. But I will check out for summertime how it will behave outside in those tabs. so I won't be needing that growbox for summertime. I'm interested how it will behave, if any growth will be significantly better. I'm not fertilizing it, etc., so I'm not expecting miracles. Since it's 4 months from last summing up of space, I'm making quick glance on what is in here without speaking exactly. Yeah. Maybe it's more for me as a memory of constant changes on what stage it was right now. Yeah. That additional tank got antler tigers, so they will come back to basement, and we'll probably select them out and try to sell as much as I can of those looks I'm not happy with how it's going, so I will give a clearer one type of them in the tank, and two different types I'm trying to have in different tanks. Yeah, so it would be interesting to show it on video, as right now that tank is really ugly and I don't maintain it. There is barely any filtration, more it's working thanks by thick layer of gravel and moam and floating plants. Yeah, so it will be nice to restart it, but keeping gravel with all that life in it, bioactive. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.